Salute Trade Game team, what's happening? Real fast, I hopped in here to make a quick video. Let's talk about some things for the people that are on the Discord and then the website and bought the course. This is for you guys, or you're thinking about it. So a lot of you guys are either hitting me up on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, primarily asking me for mentorship. As you can see, if you go to the website, it is there. So what's happening now is we opened up the 100 Pip Bootcamp. That is going to be a mentorship program where you can pay for a package and you can now get mentorship from me directly. Some of you guys want to be able to trade with me, and I move around quite a bit, so I don't know what you guys' schedule are. I've been trying to pinpoint these schedules for you guys, because a lot of the time when I trade, it's usually when people who are at work are either getting ready to work or sleeping. So I primarily trade London. That's the most important session to me to trade. Now, I do trade 24 hours a day, but I don't monitor the charts during the night session because there's not a lot of volatility. So I don't have to really watch the charts. I let the automated trading systems do that for me. So if I decide the entry looks worth taking, I take it when it's nighttime. But pretty much when I go to the charts for my setups, I go a little bit before the London session starts, because sometimes the London session kicks off a certain move and it kicks it off a little bit before London. A lot of people think that every session moves the market in a different direction. It kind of don't. Usually the market is going to move a certain amount of pips during the session, and that's it. But anyway, we're getting on track. So we have the 100 Pip Bootcamp. That is going to be the mentorship for people that want to learn how to trade with me and you want to stay interactive with me after you take the course. However, you do have to take the course, and the reason you need to take the course first is because the 100 pip strategies that I teach are in the course. So you need to know those strategies before you go any further if you want to trade like how we trade. So if you want to catch breakouts, 100 pips, trends, and I'm talking about for long pips, daily trades, hourly trades, weekly trades that you hold from anywhere between an hour to a week or better. I'm in a US 30 day chart trade. I've been in for over a week, one trade. So I'm going to teach all of these strategies to you. Now, the course is going to teach you how to get the 100 pips, but we're going to go over it more and more in detail. We're going to now be doing a Zoom meeting every month for anyone who brought the course. So if you brought the course, starting this week, we're going to be having a workshop where I go over strategies with you guys and we trade. So look out for it. It looks like it's going to be Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So if anybody wants to be a part of that and you brought the course, you need to DM me on Discord your order number and your email address. Okay, so DM me that. I'm going to set up a system where you could just put your email in there and we'll email you the Zoom link. But for now, I need to get your order number and your email. A lot of you guys who brought the course, I don't see you in the Discord. We have a room in the Discord for the people who brought the course so that we could go over the strategies in the Discord. But now we're going to advance this to workshops. So you're going to see the workshop meetings inside of the course. Now, as those meetings pile up, the price of that course will slightly go up. I'm going to also do a course for the automated trading systems. So if anybody wants to get the system and get the course for just that system, I'm going to have that also available for you guys. So keep checking the site. If you're in the Discord, the announcements will be being made once these things are added. Okay, so the most important thing for you to do right now is subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord, because a lot of you guys ask me for mentorship. The button is right there, and you can get mentorship directly from me. If you want me to help you with your trading on a regular basis, that's the best way I'll sort of be able to do it for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to do that for you guys. Don't worry about it. Okay, so we got the 100 Pip Bootcamp. If you want to sign up for it, go to the website and sign up for it. I'm going to switch over to the actual website and break down everything that's available to you guys so that we can get more in detail about it and we can let you guys know what's happening. Okay, so don't worry about anything. Rejoice, the mentorship program is officially here, and we have it available for people that want to learn how to trade. We have live in person. If you're in the tri-state area or you're looking to come to the tri-state area, we have live in-person training. We have 1 day and 2 day specials available. We have the Zoom meeting, of course, training, and we also have now the workshops. Okay, so you have to get the course first in order to get access to the workshops. The workshops will be where we give you the mentorship. I will go over one-on-one, and I will go over in classes with you guys to see how everybody's trading and see how the strategies are holding up and what everybody's doing. Okay, so hopefully that works out for you guys. So let's switch over to the website and break down the packages for you. Yo, before I begin, I want to take a second and say shout out to the Discord, man. I see y'all guys out there doing big things. As you can see, this was a testimonial from one of the members. He did take the course. I did do a one-on-one with him, and the next day, was it 3 days after we did the one-on-one? As you can see, man, this is live results. This is not made up. This is real. This is what you get, man. I tried to show you. As you can see, if you look at the bottom, the indicator told you everything was dropping. What did it do? Fall through the cloud. What happened? The robot took the trade. My man was at work, and he told me while he was at work, he was killing, man. 100 pip boot camp. I keep telling y'all, this is a real thing. Okay? So let's get to the video, man. Let's switch over to the website so you guys can see what's going on. Boom. Okay, so here we are. This is the website. When you come to TradeGameOfficial.com, this is the page you will be greeted with. As you can see, we have our technicals. We have all the information you need. You know, one of the most famous videos on the channel. You know, another breakdown, 148 pip GJ breakdown. This is when I was really like just starting. You got the course, you got the one-on-one sessions. You could click here, you got the button, you click there. You know, you just get to see what some people are saying. As you can see, I put the robot testimony in there. I had to do that. But let's go to what's important. So as you go to the top of the site, you know, this is where you can click on and you can just purchase the course. Boom, right there, of course. That handsome fella right there, y'all know him, right? But here's the most important one, the one y'all keep asking me about. Now this, I might just clip this and put this on Instagram and TikTok separately. Because a lot of you guys hit me up on there, ask me about mentorship. Y'all say, hey, I don't want to just buy the course, I want to do more, da da da. Here you go, guys. This is it, mentorship. So now we officially have it, the 100 pip bootcamp, okay? What I teach in the course is how to get long-term probable setups. I also teach you how to scout, but I focus on the big moves so that you can get the big pips like what I'm doing. So here's the mentorship page. When you click on it, it is the third tab at the top at the current moment. Okay, so when you click it, you're invited to here and you have your packages. You have the course, of course, you can buy that. Once you buy the course, you can get access to these other advanced packages. You have the silver TGO FX Academy package. This is the online course. You get two one-hour one-on-one sessions with me. Those will be sent to you after. Trust me, those do help. A lot of y'all be wanting to learn how to automate your trading, and the best way to do that is do the one-on-one, when I can sit down with you directly by yourself and actually help you go over the settings and how to set it up, the best time frame, when to use it, yada yada yada. Y'all already know, for those of y'all that took it. As you see, my man took it. He got the robot, he got the one-on-one, and boom, look what he's doing. That next week he came in there with all those trades winning. So it speaks for itself. So then you have the in-person one-on-one. For those of y'all that are in the tri-state area, you think you may be in the tri-state area, you have the in-person one-on-one, 1 day session, and then we have the 2 day session. Now, I advise you do get these if you can, because there's something I'm going to try to do special for you people that actually take time to do the one-on-one. You'll have to figure it out when you get there. Can't tell you what it is, though. Can't say it here. Now you have the training one-on-ones. I'm going to actually give you the robot, and I'm going to train you on how to use it so you can go from trading manually to automated trading. For a lot of you people who work, y'all tend to like these. Here you go. So we got the cloud breakout, we have the Candyland, and we have the pip generator. Of course, more things will be added. Don't worry about it. The reason that it's like this is because this goes from beginning trader to advanced trader. And speaking of beginning to advanced trader, let's go to the next button, shop. When you go to the shop tab, there's going to be something different now about it. 20 pips and dip. Let's click on this. What's different? Well, something you guys are going to appreciate. If you go down to the description now, there's a learning curve. So if you are a beginning trader, you know what systems will be easier for you to use. I made this as simple as I can for you guys to win, guys, okay? So you know when you go down to the description now of a product, you can actually look and see if it's something for advanced, beginning, or intermediate traders. As you can see, this is a number 2 for beginners, for traders who understand a trend. So if you understand a trend and you use this robot, you should be able to win with no problem, okay? So then you have other versions of the robot. Now the cloud is the first robot I learned to use, so this is going to be a number 1 out of 5 for beginners. If you never use the trading system, this is the best system to use. This is the one that you saw I posted, that as you can see right here, people were winning, okay? So as you can see, if you go back and you look, pip generator, this is another beginning trading software that gets you a lot of pips. Number one for beginners. Why? Because these are the most simple trading systems that work. Okay, so for those of y'all, I suggest you go to the website and take a look around. You know, we have the affiliate program. I see a lot of you guys are signing up. People have been using that. Thank you to the people that I see using that. Payment should be sent out if the money is not released. So anybody's waiting on money, the reason you may not have received it is because PayPal is holding the money for 21 days because it's a new account. So that's a PayPal thing. That's not on our end. If you're using some other form of payment, you should be fine. But for anybody using PayPal, PayPal is holding everything for 21 days for new accounts. I'm just letting y'all know that now, so nobody will be out here thinking they're not getting paid by us, okay? As soon as that money is released, you get it. That's how it works. Okay, so once again, it's that simple, man. So when you go over here now you can look. Oh, and for the people that book the one-on-ones, right? If you book a one-on-one in person, check this out. You get to see the office, actually. If you go down and you look around, you'll get to see the office. There's pictures there. There's pictures added to the one-on-ones. Now, let me see if I can find them. I thought we had them there, but there were pictures added. So, if you go to the one-on-one, by the time you see this video, there will be pictures added to it so that you guys can see that. Now, for those of you who don't know, though, the one-on-ones are now open. We have the office. The office is there. Everyone can take full advantage of coming up to Long Island, where the office is at, and getting one-on-one sessions with us. You will be introduced to some nice things, man. You will be introduced to some nice things. Okay, so I don't know what else to tell you guys. I did the robot, the talking robot, the talking robot, the upside on Lumi Swiss 5-minute chart. The talking robot. Talking robot, as y'all can see, robots is talking. They wanted to holler at y'all. They wanted to say what's up to you guys. Okay, so let's try to figure out why the one-on-one is not showing the picture, because that's very odd. Because I actually see it here. I see it, and it's not showing on the live site. I don't know why that's happening, but I know how to fix that. I know how to fix it so I can show you guys what I want to show you. Because that's what's important. I don't know why it's not showing y'all that, but I know how to fix it. I know how to fix these guys. Let's see when I go to preview changes what happened. Yeah, this is pretty weird, so I'll figure it out later. But when you go to the website, you'll be able to actually see the robots. You'll be able to see the office that we have. I don't know why I can see it, but you guys can't. But for some odd reason, it's not showing there. But I can see it here. So, yeah, that's that, man. That's that. So, what I can do to show you the office is I probably can go to this page separately and show it to y'all. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see if I can do that while I'm talking live on the fly. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you guys, man. Things I do for you guys. Things I do for you guys. So let's see if that worked. Okay, so yeah, it kind of did work. It kind of did work. It kind of did work. But let me move this. So as you can see, the pictures are right there. But when you go to the website, I'll have it figured out. I don't know why you can't see it, but if you guys want to see the office space, it's there in the product gallery. For some reason, it's not showing here, but I see it. I don't know what's going on there. It's making me look crazy, but it's there, I promise you. So I don't know. Like I said, guys, I don't know what else I could do for you guys to help you guys out, man. I tried to make this as easy as I can for y'all. I don't know. I just don't know what else I could do to make this easier, man. Okay. So you got the in-person 1-day session, 2-day session. Me and my assistant will be there. Just be us, and we will train you. We will make sure you understand everything when you leave there. If you need anything else after that, hit us up. We got you. But once you pay for any of these packages, just to let you know, for the mentorship, let me go back to that. Once you pay for any one of these packages, you'll have exclusive access to me going forward from there on. If there's anything else you need, you'll figure it out. Now, the reason the robots were named by difficulty is because as you guys learn the systems, you'll want to advance on to different systems. I don't want to just give you guys certain systems unless you actually know what's going on, because you have to take a system and learn it in practice. But once again, as you can see from one of the people in our class, he only had the system less than a week and he already started winning his trades and going crazy. He's passing 100 pip boot camp like it's nothing. I'm gonna probably ask him to try and be a mod for the website or something, because he just knows. So someone like him can help you guys learn. I like that you guys are helping each other in the Discord too as well. Please keep in mind that I've only been trading going on 3 years, so I'm learning from you guys just like y'all are learning from me. Don't think that this is a thing where I'm just like the guru and everyone is just bowing down. No, we all learn from each other. No one's better than nobody in the group, and I don't want you guys to get this mindset where y'all think I'm not learning from y'all, because I promise you I am. Okay. So with that being said, man, you know, pick your poison, guys. There's no reason that y'all shouldn't be having a good trading summer this summer with us. You know, I gave y'all everything I could. I gave out the mentorship. I gave out the robot. I gave on the one-on-ones. I gave out the in-person one-on-ones. You know, I break down the trades. The software is there. You know what I mean? More software is coming. The reason that I'm not really rushing is because you guys got to get more familiar with the trading systems before I start dropping these advanced, intricate ones on you, okay? So don't worry about nothing. Just trust me. Everything will come in due time. And in the meantime, let's just get to this trading, guys. So that's really what it is. I'm just trying to make sure everybody's trading like me or trading better than me. It's nice to see that. I'm very proud and happy today that I saw somebody killing it. And he's killing it the same way I started out killing it. I see it in him. The same thing that I had in me, I see in him. So hopefully that'll be you next. All right? I'm out of here, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, evening, or morning, depending on what time it is that you came to this video. Okay? So let's get out of here. Peace.